Hello everybody! So alam niyo ba na ang mani or especially yung boiled peanuts are a nutritious snack that can help with weight management, heart health, and more. So weight management, ang peanut po kasi ay high in fiber and protein, which can help you feel full and control your appetite. So, maganda po siya kainin sa umaga kasi protein po siya at saka nagko-control siya ng appetite. So, it means hindi ka palaging kumakain in that day kaya busog ka palagi. So, a handful of peanuts is really good for you, especially when you eat it in the morning. So, it may help with lose weight when included in a balanced diet. So, ayan, mura lang po yung mani pero nakakatulong po siya para sa iyong kalusugan. Sa heart health naman is contain niacin, vitamin B3, which is important for healthy heart function. So, sa mga ano po dyan, mga ayan, may problema sa heart, so kumain na lang po kayo ng mani. It contains unsaturated fats. So, wala po siyang fats which may reduce the risk of heart disease. And also, it contains resveratrol which may reduce the risk of stroke. So, ang galing pala ng mani, marami po siyang benefits. Kaya ugaliin nyo na lang pong kumain ng mani araw-araw. So, sa brain health is, sabi po talaga nila is nakakatalino daw yung mani, sabi po ng mga matatanda noon. Kaya sabi ng mga matatanda noon, sinabi nila ako na dapat daw po kumain pa ako ng mani every morning before ako pumasok ng school para matalino ako. Ayun, matalino nga talaga ako. To be honest, sir. So, sa brain health na contain folate and niacin, which are important for brain health and cognitive function. Nakakatalino talaga yung mani, mga guys, mga sisi ko. So, other health benefits, it contains essential minerals like magnesium and phosphorus, which support bone health. So, sa mga ano po dyan, yung mga kasukasuan yung pag masakit na po, kumain na lang po kayo ng mani. Contain B-complex vitamins which contribute to energy metabolism and immune system health. So, ayan. Contain antioxidants which help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. So, pag stress ka, kumain ka lang ng mani. Contain copper which is important for energy production and neutral activity. While boiled peanuts are nutritious, they are also calorie dense. So, it's important to eat them in moderation. So, dapat konti lang, a handful